Hi, I'm Rithika. Welcome to India Food Network. Today we're going to make vegan and oil-free tandoori mushrooms. To know more, keep watching. Let's have a look at the ingredients for the tandoori mushrooms. You need 200 grams of mushrooms, half a cup of cashew powder, 2 teaspoons of tandoori chicken masala which has no chicken in it, 1 teaspoon of salt, juice of half a lime, 2 cloves of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger. The first thing we need to do is add the ginger and garlic to the cashew powder. I'm going to use my mincer, but you can use a knife or a mortar and pestle. Make sure it's minced nice and fine so that you don't get pieces in your mouth. Once that's all added, add the lime juice, salt and the tandoori chicken masala. Mix it all well. To make it a nice paste, we add a little water so that it coats the mushrooms really well. It should be a nice thick paste. Stir that well so that everything is mixed evenly. And then all that's left to do is add it to the mushrooms. I'm going to mix this paste with the mushrooms and just make sure all the mushrooms are coated. So the mushrooms are coated well in our cashew paste. We need to let them marinate for 2 or 3 hours, after which they need to be baked in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes or so. And that's it, our tandoori mushrooms are ready. They are healthy, vegan and oil-free and they make a great party snack. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network and also write in with your feedback. I can't wait to dig in.